Hello. I just wanted to say thank you to Jordan Mackey from Buy 9 to 5 for his amazing programs. I purchased this all courses bundle. I have been learning a lot by watching his make money on YouTube without making videos and his YouTube advanced masterclass courses. There are a lot of imitators out there, but Jordan Mackey is the real deal. He is the real OG of making money on YouTube. What I love about Jordan is his honesty and the free content that he offers via his YouTube videos. Even though I was struggling financially at the time, I managed to sell some of my stuff and gather some money so I could purchase his programs. To be honest, the prices Jordan offers are practically inexpensive compared to what other wannabe YouTube gurus out there want to charge. Some have the nerve to charge upwards to $5,000 for subpar programs that lack substance and just focus on reselling their high ticket price programs. I find those wannabe YouTube gurus greedy and unscrupulous and dishonest. All I have to say is that Jordan is the real deal and that his programs contain the real meat and potatoes. It's money well worth spent as it's an investment in your future. I'm not making the big moolah yet, but I'm well on my way to doing so because of Jordan. I highly recommend all his programs, but if you are still on the fence, please go check out his Buy 9 to 5 YouTube channel. That's BYE space number 9 and TO and then space the number 5. Buy 9 to 5. Once you watch a few of them, you'll be convinced that Jordan Mackey is the real deal and you'll want to purchase his programs. Please don't settle for less and invest in your future. My name is Mario Alfonso. Thank you.